Introducing Stencil Art Strong Oak, a beautiful 6-piece layering stencil set. Let's have a look at the layering guide that comes inside. Up at the top, you are going to see the inks used to create the image shown, and the inks are also shown as you work your way through the stencils with a finished project over on the bottom right. Next, we'll have a look at the add-on die set you could purchase that will cut out the image of the strong oak, as well as some beautiful layered sentiments. We're going to get started with stencil number 1 in frayed leaf ink. I am using a small blending brush for this, and you will also see that I hold down the bits that are covering what will be our tree trunk as well. You could use some tweezers for this to help you with this as well. And I'm using satin masking tape as my stencil is the same size as my image. We will get started now on stencil number 2. We're going to be doing Forest Glades ink, and again I'm using that small blending tool, and I'm holding down some of the more delicate bits of the stencil to make sure I get that clean, crisp outline. We'll move on to stencil number 3 with evergreen ink. And on this stencil, as hard as I am trying and holding down some of the delicate bits, I did get a little bit of ink underneath, but I'm going to show you that, and I'll show you, we're just going to cover it up with a tree trunk, so it's no worries. That's why we always recommend see your project through. You never know when you can save it. So see, I got a little bit where the tree trunk is. We're going to cover that up with some beautiful Rocky Shore ink, and you will never know. So now I have a mini blending tool and my Rocky Shore ink, as this space is considerably smaller than what I was doing with the small blending tools. I'm very happy Altenew has so many sizes, so there's always a blending tool to fit the occasion. Now we're going to do stencil 4 at the top. This is going to give us our grass around our tree, and you can see that it masks off the base of the tree, and we're using Forest Glades ink on this stencil. Next, we're going to move to stencil 5, and we're going to add some detail to the grass. We're going to add the detail with evergreen ink, and again, I'm using a mini ink blending tool for this. And then at the bottom of stencil number 5, we're going to go ahead and use mocha, and that's going to add a layer to our beautiful strong oak. I love how these stencils, as time goes, you see all that definition that you get with the layering. And again, you saw me bring out tweezers to hold the more delicate bits of the stencil in place while I blended. Finally, we'll move to stencil number 6 with espresso and a mini ink blending tool. Just adding it to all of the openings on this stencil, and that will finish off the layering for this set. I hope this video was helpful in layering your stencil art strong oak. Here is some inspiration from our fantastic designers. To find out more about stencil art strong oak and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.